Siddharta is a software craftsmanship consultant and Python educator with 19 plus years in the IT industry. He runs Playful Python, a popular learning platform across web, YouTube, and Twitter, making Python fun and accessible. He also leads Silver Stripe Software, helping teams deliver better software through agile, lean, and coaching practices. Please welcome Siddharta to give his 3-minute speech.
It seems we are at that time once again in the industry where everyone is talking about innovation, and this time it is AI innovation. So I thought, let me spend a few seconds talking about where does this innovation come from. And one of my great genius mathematician, Ramanujan. When Ramanujan was in London, he was in hospital, and the mathematician friend Hardy came to visit him. And Hardy came in a taxi, and Hardy told Ramanujan that my taxi number plate was 1729. And Ramanujan got very excited, and he told Hardy, that's such an interesting number. You know, that's the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in exactly two ways. You see, Ramanujan had such an intuitive sense of numbers. You could give him any number and he could pick out some interesting fact about it, just like a magician picks out a rabbit from a hat. That kind of intuitive sense led him to so many innovations. In fact, most of Ramanujan's discoveries, his formula, were just given as a formula with no proof. And it was up to other mathematicians to find the proof for it. So where does this intuitive sense, which is so important for innovation, come from? And it comes from playtime. And playtime here means an area where you can experiment, you can fail, and you can build up that intuition. Intuition doesn't come by magic. And Ramanujan used to play a lot with numbers. And so he had a model about these numbers. And therefore, he was able to make so many connections. As a child, they build up these towers of blocks, and the tower collapses. We should and put the smaller block at the top. And no one tells them that. They just learn it from their experiments. They learn it from their failures. They learn the model. And pretty soon, they are fighting against the model. They're trying to put the big block on top and now have an intuitive sense how block on top doesn't fall down. Right? This experimentation creating amazing things. So if you're an organization, you want to do AI innovation, any innovation, you can't just do a hackathon and expect that people will suddenly turn on and become intuitive. It doesn't work that way. You have to create that space where people can play, they can experiment, they find the limits of the thing they are working on and how to circumvent the limits and then make those connections. And that's the way that intuition drives innovation. Thank you.